Hello everyone. So for today I have made this little packet here. That's what I call it anyways. Of pieces. So we can make faux, or not faux, but little bookmarks. Because I only have like one altered paperclip. So I'm like, it'd be a good idea to make an altered paperclip or two. Or 3 or 4, and I took the time to punch out a bunch of dots and glossy accent them just because, why not? So we have a bunch here, and then I have a bunch of paper clips here, but that's what I basically did. Anything small that I could come up with. And then I have this fabric that I went off and coffee dyed a long time ago and figured why not use that. So I'm going to bring out some of my faux stuff too here. My faux stamps. And I'm just trying to think of anything else small that I have that might work for this. I have these postage stamps too that we could use. Yeah, I think that's basically it that I have like on hand currently that we could be easily using. Also, my little pieces of tiny envelopes. I think that would be fun to use too. So there we go. So what I do is I check out where the end is. Where are my scissors? Oh, there they are. So what size I want it to be. So I try to make sure it's a little bit smaller than that. Then I just peel a little bit here and there. Get some of them hanging pieces off. This is how I do it. You don't have to do it the same way I do. I want it glued on right away. I try to get it all how I want it to be. And yeah, I'm just using my art glitter glue for this portion. I want this piece to be a little shorter. Sorry if you heard that, my stomach is growling. Don't necessarily know why. Normally doesn't growl in the morning. I'm just taking 3 little pieces here. And it's a light enough fabric. It'll dry. I'm not too worried about it. Alright, and then I'm just going to stick 3 random pieces on them. 1, 2, 3. 3. Again, I'm just trying to experiment a little, make a little something out of nothing, right? There we go. Let's go for the next one. Tear it apart. And you can do this in all reality with any fabric you have. The same exact concept. And that's kind of why I wanted to do this, was because I realize you can easily do this with anything you have. How about we do that? Just makes it easier to put it in initially, and you can always bend it back when you're done. Alright, I kind of want this on here. Maybe add a little bit of this at the bottom. And then one circle. And I don't know what circle I really want. Yeah. Some of my glossy accents melted together, obviously. Do I want that? Don't really want that one. Kind of like this one. So this is the one I'm going to choose to stick on here. There we go. Got another one done. Again, I just like the idea of using up what I have. Not adding to it or anything else. I have a bunch of paper clips. Might as well use them. Use up what you know you have and want to use and everything. And these are just nice, cute little fabric altered paper clips. I know I don't do very much altering paperclip type things, but when I do, I try to make sure it's worth my while. And again, I have all these pieces, might as well use them. my thing is always use what you can when you can, and eventually everything will come to be what it needs to be. Again, I'm just looking through this and seeing what I think might be rather cute in that spot. Ah, that's what I was looking for. My kids are saying they're cleaning their bedroom. We'll see. Again, I just thought these dots would add a little extra to these pieces. Wasn't really planning on using them, but you know, when you have stuff out, might as well use it. And I know this is probably like, why are you making something so simple? Well, because simplicity sometimes is a good thing. And I'm not, you know, huge on making stuff like this, but I thought, you know what, this would be fun. This would be out of my range a little bit, making stuff like this, because I normally don't film when I'm making stuff like this. It'd be a nice play. And I still don't know what's going on with my Fabric-Tac, other than it doesn't like me at the moment. So I've been kind of staying away from that. Let's see here. Yeah, let's add that to it. Oops, sorry. My one battery died. Hopefully this one will last just until I finish this piece, and then I guess I'm gonna have to let you go. Not because I want to, but because my stuff is dying. But this way somebody can write a tiny secret and kind of hide it. And I was thinking, just do this. Let's use this. Okay, and then this can go underneath here, and voila. So it's kind of like a secret little spot to write in, which I like that idea. Just a little secret spot. So, and it's awesome to invent little secret spots. So there we go, our 4 little pieces here. I hope you enjoyed this lovely little video, and this is my sample one. And enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.